This is the Clever Giraffe group, and our website is a place where students can go on and look up classes that are listed on our website and add them to their profile, saying that they have either taken them or are currently taking them. And then they can go in and rate these classes based on level of easiness or difficulty, how fun it was, or an overall rating, or maybe if it was interesting. And so different ratings like that make it possible for us to create an algorithm to recommend to users classes that might be fun or easy or even hard if they desire, and send back a list of classes that they would like based on their preferences. And then how we do that is we have an algorithm that goes through and looks at other user data and finds people who are similar and weighs them in heavier than other users, and then selects some classes that the searcher might enjoy. And then we also provide a chat system. It's a one-to-one chat. It uses Ajax so that the page doesn't get refreshed over and over again for each message, and that way we can set up users to talk to people in their class or maybe classes that they want to take and get information about it, or maybe ask for help from other users. And so that's the goal of the website, everything that we do on here. And so let's start the demo by logging in. Anyone can come on and create a user, and then just log in, and you can start adding classes. Here's a list of all the classes you could choose from. Nothing too special about that. They just get added to the database. And then you have a list of classes that you're enrolled for. So, for example, I've already signed up for all these. Take note that I am taking CS 125 on this account. We'll use that later in the demo. And so I can go in and I can click recommend classes for me. And so let's say that I want to find a class that's fun. Then I would turn fun all the way up, and I don't care about the rest, but you can put them whatever you desire. But so it's going to show me classes that are fun for me. First, it shows the top 10 results based on other user data. Even though other stuff was weighed into it, we just kind of show off the first 10. And then here we have the classes that are actually recommended for me. And you can see I get a lot of data structures, numerical analysis, classes that might be considered tougher, theory, discrete structures. That's because on this account the user likes mostly more difficult classes, more engaging classes, and so this is the type of result you would expect. And then you can also go in and rate a class. You can only rate the classes you're signed up for. Here's each one this user signed up for. And you can see you can rate it based on overall rating, fun, interesting, usefulness, and difficulty. And then also we have a search. You can go in and search by class name. So if I did 411, I get computer science or database systems 411, computer science 411. You could also search by the professor or the department. And then down here you can see you can search for the overall rated classes based on fun, all the different preferences. So if I show fun, here's all the top fun classes based on all the results in the system. And then so then we have our chat, which we'll demo now. And so one thing to notice, so on the right I have a user named Fletcher, and on the left I have a user C. So you see here we have a list of users online who you can chat with. So if I select Fletcher, that means I'm sending messages to Fletcher, and you see here I've loaded the messages from previous conversations which are stored in our database. So if I say hi to Fletcher, then you see over here he's not viewing user C's chat on here, but you do see that up here we have a notification that says you have a missed message from user C. So now if I go in and check user C, you'll see the notification goes away and that I have a message, and then you can respond back, and you see it appears over here, and you just keep going back and forth if you want. and then chat about whatever you feel like. And then also we have a feature where you can find users in a specific class. So you noted earlier that user C is in CS 125. So if I select 125 over here and refresh my user list, you'll see up here only people in CS 125 show up. For instance, user C, then also myself, and then another person who's signed up for our website. And then you can also find the people who aren't online if you want. And so that is everything we have on our website. Thanks.